my god, Aria, what did I tell you about that bitch? What did I tell you about that bitch? Oh shit! Girl. Nah, she invited him. Oh, you better not do that again. You can conflict it. Oh, hell yeah. No Ratchet. No Ratchet. Girl, he gonna rape you. He gonna rape you. The lights are on outside. I mean, it's bedtime. He gonna rape you. Babe. This bitch is gonna get raped. Babe, I swear to God. This bitch is gonna get raped. Aria's gonna get raped. Aria? Girl? With the black hair? The one that was fucking the teacher? That bitch gonna get raped. Oh shit, that's a fucking voodoo doll. This is some fucking 666 motherfucking devil shit. That's a fucking voodoo doll. Ah, Caesar, can I hit? Ah. Why are you flying? What are you doing? Oh hell no! Babe. Babe, she on a plane with this nigga. She don't even know him, and she's already flying with him? What's wrong with this girl? Oh hell. I'm getting motion sickness. Oh hell no. He's letting her fly. She gonna crash the. Oh fuck my headphones. She gonna crash the plane. She gonna crash your plane, motherfucker. You gonna die. Ooh. Oh babe, I love you too, but right now I'm watching Pretty Little Liars, so I gotta pay attention to this because she about to crash the plane and they about to die. That's why. Oh hell yeah. I said that, babe. I said she gonna die. I hella said that. Oh, babe, we're meant to be together. I said that. Oh, girl. I bet you didn't know that. I knew that, bitch. I knew that. You didn't know that. You know about that, bitch. Commercial. Oh, wait, this is Netflix. Speechless, motherfucker. That's right. Town. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. I love you. I feel your pain, girl. I know how you feel. That's why I eat. She said, what did you say? Bitch, she didn't stutter. Girl, they saved her Ratchet ass. I mean, they blew her on fire. Oh my god. She cut her head, babe. She cut her head. I need you. That's Allie. Can you keep this word? That's why you'll say. Better lock it in your pocket. Tell the bird. If I show you, then I know you won't tell what I said.